Hey, this is Randy Rhode with 38 Digital Market, also known as the News Guy. And listen, I've been going to SEO conferences, I don't know, for the last 4 or 5 years. I probably go to like 3 to 5 every year. This SEO Spring Training was undoubtedly one of the best events that I've been to in all of those years, in all of those conferences. I especially loved the way that the team broke apart the days and the agendas. First day focusing on tactics and strategies on SEO. And then the second day focusing on really how to run your business, how to be more effective, how to delegate, how to create processes. Just incredibly valuable to me as an agency owner and what it is that we do. And Frank, I tell you, I can't hardly wait till the next spring training. So it'll be great.